This is a very interesting question. To date, it's unclear if there are enough grains of sand on Earth and stars in the universe for people to ever answer. Today, however, we still can make a good guess to see whether there is more sand on Earth or more stars in the universe. First of all, let's consider the size of a grain of sand on Earth. There isn't currently any clear rule. I can't give you an accurate estimation of how much sand is on Earth. However, I can still estimate a number through calculations. The total amount we know of the Earth's mass is about 6 trillion tons. Sand, as we are referring to it, lives in the Earth's crust. This accounts for only about 0.4% of the Earth's total weight. If we assume that 1,000th of the Earth's crust is sand, then the total mass of the Earth's sand is about 252 million tons. We assume that the mass of a grain of sand is 0.1 grams. Then there are about 2,520 trillion pieces of sand on Earth, which is the total amount we know in total. Next up is our universe. We understand that there are a lot of space out there in the universe, and the Milky Way is one of them. As humanity's current technology is not advanced enough to allow us to explore the universe. However, infrared cameras and other astronomical observations have shown us a general understanding of our galaxy. There are billions of galaxies in our universe. We can't use the Milky Way as a standard for all other galaxies, since there are galaxies outside of it that are bigger than the Milky Way. For example, in Andromeda, hydrogen gas is about 2.5 million light-years away from our galaxy, the Milky Way. We use the pattern of red galaxies to tell that there are about 10,000 billion stars in its diameter. Of course, there are also other galaxies or clusters of stars that can be tinier than the Milky Way. They may only have a few hundreds millions to maybe a billion stars. So if we take the Milky Way as an example, then there is on average of 3 billion stars in a single galaxy. Incredibly, there could be up to 2 trillion galaxies in our observable universe, and each galaxy has about 3 billion stars. There are at least 6,000 trillion stars in our observable universe, and we mentioned above that the amount of sand on our Earth is 2,520 trillions. From here we can see that the number of stars in the universe far exceeds the number of sands on Earth. So we've established what we know, and the size of it is immeasurably big, but that's not all there is. The universe is thought to be everything that exists, which we can see. We may not be able to see all of it because the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. We don't know how big it is in total yet, but the observable universe includes everything that we can ever see from Earth. The amount of sand on Earth is limited, and our universe is currently infinite. The size of the universe is beyond our imagination. We can't say how many stars are in the universe or how many grains of sand there are on Earth. But according to current scientific knowledge, there's a high likelihood that this is true. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumb up and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.